Hey, it's me again, Teacher Collins from High Owl Star. Today, we're going to learn some new adjectives so we can describe how we feel. Are you ready? Let's go. Happy, happy. Sad, sad. Thirsty, thirsty. Hot, hot. Cold, cold. And hungry, hungry. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Are you happy? No, I'm not. Are you sad? Yes, I am. Are you sad? No, I'm not. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am. Are you thirsty? No, I'm not. Are you hot? Yes, I am. Are you hot? No, I'm not. Are you cold? Yes, I am. Are you cold? No, I'm not. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Are you hungry? No, I'm not. Good job. Now repeat after me. Happy, sad, thirsty, hot, cold, and hungry. Thank you all for watching the videos. I'll see you guys next time.